What if the disease destroying your liver had no symptoms until it was almost too late, and a brand new FDA-approved treatment could now actually reverse the damage? That is exactly where we are right now with MASH, and if you or someone you love has been told they have fatty liver disease, you need to hear this. MASH stands for Metabolic Dysfunction-Associated Steatohepatitis, and until recently it was called NASH. It affects an estimated 16 million Americans, and the overwhelming majority of them have no idea anything is wrong until their liver is already scarred. No pain, no obvious warning signs, just silent inflammation quietly destroying healthy liver tissue over years. It is one of the fastest growing causes of liver transplants and liver-related death in the United States, and for decades there was nothing doctors could actually prescribe to stop it. That changed in March 2024 when the FDA approved resmetirom, sold under the brand name Rezdiffra, becoming the very first drug ever approved specifically for MASH with moderate to advanced liver fibrosis. This is a landmark moment. Not incremental progress. A genuine first-in-class approval that liver specialists have been waiting on for over 20 years. So how does it actually work? Resmetirom is a thyroid hormone receptor beta agonist, which sounds complicated, but here is what matters practically. Your liver has specific thyroid receptors that regulate fat metabolism. In people with MASH, that process breaks down and fat accumulates, triggering inflammation and eventually scarring. Resmetirom selectively activates those receptors in the liver without significantly affecting thyroid receptors elsewhere in your body, which is important because systemic thyroid hormone manipulation can cause serious cardiac and bone side effects. This targeted approach is what makes it genuinely different. The pivotal trial that got it approved was the MAESTRO-NASH trial, a massive study involving over 950 patients. After 52 weeks, 25.9% of patients taking the 80 mg dose achieved MASH resolution without worsening fibrosis, compared to 9.7% on placebo. Even more striking, 24.2% experienced at least one stage improvement in liver fibrosis, versus 14.2% on placebo. Those numbers are not just statistically significant, they are clinically meaningful. Real patients with real liver damage seeing actual structural improvement on biopsy. Now who qualifies for this treatment? Right now Rezdiffra is approved for adults with non-cirrhotic MASH with moderate to advanced liver fibrosis, which means fibrosis stage F2 or F3. If your fibrosis has already progressed to cirrhosis, you are not currently in the approved population, though research in that group is ongoing. Your doctor will likely confirm diagnosis through liver biopsy or increasingly through non-invasive testing like the FibroScan combined with specific blood markers.